Hi there, my name is Carolyn Berglund, and I'm the principal of Talk Talk. What is Talk Talk? Well, we play in a couple of arenas, one of which is leadership. We also play in the arena of team development, executive coaching, and we help others be better public speakers. So the journey of Talk Talk. About 15 years ago, I started Talk Talk, decided to go back into the big consulting houses, and now last year resurrected Talk Talk, and we're super excited that you're here learning a little bit more about what we do. Here's our deal. Learning is our passion, transformation is our result at Talk Talk. But here's the kicker. We really believe that organizational change happens when it's rooted in kindness. Whoa, we really believe that. We think that kindness is the secret sauce to organizational change. That's really it. That's why we exist. It's our purpose statement. So we're a boutique consulting firm, and here's the difference. No plug and play, right? You go to these big consulting firms where you're looking for a leadership development program or an executive coach or team development. We customize our content based on your desired future state. So let's talk about executive coaching. Again, no plug and play here. We really look at the individual and the desired future state that that individual is trying to reach. So we will use assessments, 360s if required, but the most important component of that relationship is a trusting one in developing a psychologically safe environment in which the participant or the coachee feels comfortable really relinquishing what's going on in their world so that we can work on it together. A really cool new feature that we're offering is video storytelling. And you might be thinking, what is that? We saw a real need for some semblance of punctuation at the end of these big programs that we've run. How do we keep it alive post-program? We have developed this really cool process where we condense that big, meaty program, that performance management program, that succession planning program, into a 20-minute TED-like talk. What you do with that is you post it on your internet site. So when people want to, in your organization, refresh themselves on that particular program, instead of going through paper after paper after paper, they can watch this talk. Or when you're onboarding new employees. The famous Proust questionnaire from inside the actor's studio. My favorite word is love. Oh, good one, moist. I like interacting with people that are creative and curious. I love listening and learning about people in general. Well, that one's easy, arrogance. My son laughing. On the other side, my son in pain. I think I'd want to understand all of the suffering that I've seen in the world and know that there was a reason for that. So I'd like, if God exists, to say, come on in, let me explain it to you. I've often thought that in retirement, if I wasn't doing this, I would be a professor of philosophy.